So lesson 4 is called structure of a type-based logo. So what I'm talking about here is the shape of the letters themselves and also the actual composition. And the thing about logo type design, t-shirt design that differentiates it from, say, print is logotypes, designs for shirts, stuff like that. They need to be a self-contained graphic, where if you look at design for print, it bleeds off to the edge. You have a canvas that chops off. Where a t-shirt graphic typically is, something that's like centered on the front of the shirt or on the back of the shirt. Logos the same way. They just need to be able to stand alone. So a lot of times you'll contain them in a shape, a diamond, a circle, a rectangle, a square. So let's go on to letter form shapes right now. With letter forms, in classic typefaces, there are serif fonts, there's sans serif, there's script, and there's a whole lot in between, but basically those are the main three. So serif fonts have sort of a base to them where they, at the bottom of the letters or the top, they have like a little crossbar. The opposite of that would be a sans serif like avant-garde, where it's just the straight letter with no little crossbar pieces on the top or the bottom. This is a nice script here. This is an example of something that's in between. So it's taking a serif typeface and almost turning it into a script by connecting the letters with these little lines. Stencil font, sans serif. Back to talking about the structure, the composition of your logo type. This is a good example of something that's in a circle. So this is a good example of something that takes up the shape of a diamond. This is a nice kind of wave shape to the script. This is designed by Dan Casaro. Amazing designer, just nailed it with this. So he's taken this Deus logo and kind of just fit it into a circle. It's just so perfect.